Welcome to JioGST Billing application. In this video, we will take you through the entire journey of configuring and generating invoice in the JioGST Bill Lite application. An invoice level compliance is a key aspect in GST implementation. Tax invoice shall contain the following main details. First, name, address and JSTN of supplier. Second, invoice number. Third, invoice date. Fourth, name, address and JSTN of buyer. Fifth, place of supply. Sixth, HSN code. Seventh, description of goods. Eighth, quantity of goods. Ninth, taxable value of goods. 10th, rate of tax. 11th, amount of tax. Let's now begin the configuration process of the JioGST Bill Lite application. This is a one-time activity. To begin with, you need to download and install the JioGST Bill Lite app from Google Play Store. Next, register in the Bill Lite application and then log in. Thereafter, go to Manage Profile for editing your personal details, post which you need to go to the Manage Employees section to add employees. Next, in the Manage JSTN section, you need to add JSTN. Finally, create User JSTN mapping. Let's begin with the first step of configuring JioGST Bill Lite app. You can search the JioGST Bill Lite app in Google Play Store. Download and install the application on your mobile. Post downloading the application, let's register in the JioGST Bill Lite app and log in. To register, tap on Sign Up. You are now on the registration screen. Here, you need to enter details such as firm's name, PAN, firm type, mobile number. Mobile number would be verified via an OTP. Enter a password for your ID. Thereafter, tap on Register button to complete the registration process. After successful registration, you can proceed to log in your JioGST Bill Lite account. Now, enter your login credentials and tap on the Login button. You are now on the JioGST Bill Lite homepage. Tap on the menu icon at the top left side of the screen. Here, you will view various features of the JioGST Bill Lite application. After registering and logging into the application, let's view how to manage profile. This is the My Profile screen. Here, you can add or edit your profile details. Tap on the Billing For drop-down. The JioGST Bill Lite application provides you with the flexibility of creating invoices for goods, services, or both. Next, tap on the Nature of Business drop-down. Add a default email ID where all the invoices will be sent. Read and agree to the terms and conditions provided in the app and then tap on Save. Profile has been updated successfully. Post making changes in your profile, let's go through the Manage Employees section. Tap on the menu icon at the top left side of the screen. Now, to manage employee details, tap on Manage Employees. In the Manage Employees section, you can map other POS staff members or cashiers in the JioGST Bill Lite app. Here, you need to enter details such as employee name, email ID, mobile number. Create an MPIN for the employee and tap on Save. Once you tap on the Save button, you can view the list of added employees. Tap on the back icon. After viewing the process of adding the employees, let's understand how to manage JSTN. Tap on the menu icon. Now, to add JSTN, tap on Manage JSTN. To add a JSTN, enter JioGST username as on GSTN, JioGST of the user, registered address. Note: you can also add multiple locations for a JioGST. Once all the details are filled, tap on Save. Once you tap on Save, you will view the list of all added JioGSTs. The final step of configuring JioGST Bill Lite app is User JioGST Mapping. Tap on the menu icon. Now, to map JioGST to an added employee, tap on User JioGST Mapping from the drop-down. You are now on the Add JioGST User Mapping screen. Here, tap on the Employee drop-down and select the employee you want to map to a JioGST. Once you select the employee name, tap on the JioGST drop-down to select the JioGST for mapping the employee. Note: an employee can be mapped to multiple JioGSTs. Tap on Save. The JioGST user will be mapped successfully. Tap OK to proceed. Post the successful completion of mapping, you will view all the mapped JioGST users. Next, tap on the back icon as seen at the top left side of the screen to go back to the home page of the JioGST Bill Lite app. In order to generate an invoice, you can follow the steps as seen on the screen. The first step of invoice creation is Manage Customer Details. Let's start by clicking on the Manage Customer Details icon. You are now on the Manage Customer Details screen. Here, you can define the customer master. Here, the app gives you an option to define customers as either not registered under GST or registered under GST. To select the customer type, tap on its radio button. Enter all the mandatory details and tap on the Save button, post which you will reach on the Manage Customer screen. Here, you can view the list of added customers. Now, let's proceed to the Manage Goods catalog. To create the Goods Master, tap on Manage Goods Catalog. You are now on the Manage Goods screen. Here, you can either search goods by HSN code or by directly entering its name, that is, via HSN description. Now, tap on the Unit of Measurement drop-down. Select the unit of measurement from the drop-down and then enter goods rate. Finally, tap on Save. Once you tap on Save, you can view the list of all the added goods. After adding goods in the Goods catalog, let's view the Manage Service Catalog process. Tap on Manage Service Catalog to add services in the Service Master. Now, to create a Service Master, you can either search a service by SAC code or directly by its description. Next, tap on Unit of Measurement drop-down. Select a unit of measurement. Finally, tap Save to continue. Once the details are saved, you will view the list of the added services. Now, in order to generate invoice, tap on Invoice Management tab on the home page and then tap on Generate Invoice. To begin with, tap on the Select Your JioGST drop-down. Here, you need to select a JioGST from the already added JioGSTs on the Manage JioGST section. Thereafter, select Invoice for. Invoice can be generated for services or goods. Enter Invoice Period. Next, select the customer from the already added customers. Please note, your shipping address can be same or it can be a new address. Now, select the billing method from the drop-down, which can either be quantity-based or lump sum, and then tap on the Add Services. Next, select the service from the already added services. Thereafter, enter the quantity for the selected service. Amount will be auto-calculated. Tap on Add. Please note, you can add multiple goods or services in an invoice. Finally, tap on Preview Final Invoice. Preview the final invoice. You can also make changes in the invoice by Edit option. Finally, tap on Generate Invoice. Here, you need to provide a sign-off before generating the invoice. Tap on Generate Invoice to create the invoice. Invoice is generated successfully. Note: once the invoice is generated, the invoice is sent to the default mail ID and to the customer. Once the invoice is generated, it can be viewed in Invoice History, present in Invoice Management tab. Tap on Invoice History. Here, you can see the list of all the generated invoices. Congratulations! You have successfully understood the configuration and invoice generation of JioGST Bill Lite app. Download the JioGST Bill Lite app and start your GST compliant invoicing today at zero additional cost.